Baseus 3K-Cam VD1 front and rear HD car camera recorder with GPS, supercapacitor, night vision and 24H parking monitor. The Baseus 3K-Cam VD1 is a premium dual-camera driving recorder designed to provide advanced safety, crystal-clear video evidence, and intelligent vehicle monitoring in all driving conditions. Featuring ultra-high 3K front camera resolution, 2880x1620p, paired with a rear HD camera. This dash cam captures 3 times sharper detail than standard 1080p systems, ensuring license plates, road signs, and critical moments are always clearly visible. Equipped with a 140 degrees wide-angle lens and a 30 degrees adjustable viewing range, the VD1 covers multiple lanes of traffic and wide road surroundings, reducing blind spots and offering complete situational awareness while driving or parking. Built for long-term durability and extreme temperature resistance, the dash cam uses a high-performance supercapacitor instead of a traditional lithium battery. This design eliminates swelling risks, improves lifespan, ensures stable power delivery, and maintains accurate timestamps even in hot or cold environments, making it a safer and more reliable choice for daily driving. For superior nighttime performance, the Baseus VD1 integrates a large f1.5 aperture, a 5-layer optical lens system, and a blue IR cut filter that minimizes glare from headlights while significantly enhancing low-light clarity. Whether driving in dark streets, tunnels, or rainy conditions, the camera consistently delivers sharp, balanced footage. The built-in AI voice control system, English commands, allows hands-free operation, enabling drivers to start recordings, take snapshots, lock important videos, and manage functions without distraction, enhancing driving safety and convenience. With dual satellite positioning technology, GPS plus Galileo, the dashcam accurately records driving routes, speed, time, and location directly into each video file. This data is extremely useful for accident analysis, insurance claims, and travel records. The integrated G sensor automatically detects sudden impacts or collisions and instantly locks critical footage to prevent it from being overridden. For smart connectivity, the VD1 features 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi that pairs with the free Baseus mobile app for iOS and Android. Users can watch live footage, replay videos, download clips with one tap, and customize settings such as resolution, loop recording, and parking monitoring, all directly from their smartphone. Supporting 24-hour parking surveillance, the dash cam continues protecting your vehicle even when the engine is off, automatically recording motion or impact events to safeguard against vandalism or hit-and-run incidents. With its easy installation process, simply mount the camera and plug it into the vehicle's power outlet. The Baseus 3K-Cam VD1 offers a complete, intelligent, and high-performance driving security solution for modern motorists.